Hi guys, it's Nigel from FCD Ghost Boxes. Just want to bring out some news for you about the newest in the line of FCD Ghost Boxes, the FCD MK4+PRO. Much in the line of the professional Ghost Box, which has been out a while now. I'm going to be putting out a little bit of a statement now about the cases that we had for the MK4s. We're finding it really difficult now, especially imports from overseas, China and that, to actually get any long run of cases to put the MK4 electronics in. So we thought we're going to have to step ahead of this really and try and make our own cases in the future. We get plenty of these project box type cases. They're really tough. ABS, you know, they're really good for out in the field, and the professional has shown this that people like it. So we decided to go with the black cases primarily for the MK4+PRO. Now, why we're calling it that, it's like the professional, but it's a bigger case, and it's got, if I come a bit closer to the camera, it's got the Bluetooth, USB auxiliary inputs there panel like on the MK4 with the flashing speaker. So it incorporates that portal inputs into this unit as well. So it's got both there all in one. You've got your FM linear radio Ghost Box plus the portal inputs as well. Okay, I'll just flash that on, show you. It's up there.
Bluetooth mode.
You can pair up with Bluetooth, so you can put your apps from your phone, Ghost Box apps into it and play them through it as well. Plus, if you've got sound banks, we give away free ones on the FCD website, Word sound banks, so you can put them into the actual unit and play them through as well on your investigations. Just going to show you the new unit. We think it looks really handy, it's really nice. It's got, some people like no antenna. Okay, they just like to use it without the antenna, but we always include one, so it's there. You just plug it in or take it out. It's extendable, as you can see, you know, picks up really well. And it's got the, like on the MK4 Plus Adjust, it's got the local area tuning button there. Simple, dead easy to do. It's got a sweep rate there from very fast to very slow. It's got volume and it's got reverb, like, so it's got all the features of the old MK4 Plus Adjust. Just that we put it into this new case because we've got to make sure we can get the cases. That's the thing, it's got little rubber feet on the bottom there, so it stands up on a surface without moving. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick demo of it, what it sounds like. Flick the switch on here, the toggle switch, straight on. We've got stuff coming through straight away. It's got reverb.
I don't.
You can adjust that. Got a little bit of interference coming near the computer. I'll try and come back a little bit. There you go. And you can actually play both at the same time. You can put the Bluetooth or the inputs in while you're playing the radio as well, if you want to. Okay. Have a close-up look at it all. I think it looks really smart. It's got a black speaker grill there. Really tough little box. And it's going to be, I'll just have to have a second while I talk to you. We're going to have it out in the field, do a demo with it shortly, and going to get it up this weekend on Etsy and eBay. So if you're interested in that as a replacement, we won't be doing any more of the Chinese boxes in the future. I've got 15 left of an alternative one in case people do want the flashing speaker. That's the only difference, and that type of style plastic case. But I'll be selling them off as one-offs if you do want one of those. But this is how we're going to go in future. We know we can get these cases, we've got no problems, and hope you like it. You know, we think it looks really smart. There you go. So it's the FCD MK4+PRO. Thanks a lot.